Hi guys, here we've got Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on this device. So at first, just open the settings, find and select System, and click on Backup. And if you'd like to use a backup to Google One, just tap on Turn On here. And as you can see, it has been already activated because I've been logged in with my Google account previously, so it just took the data. However, if you are not logged in with your Google account, you will have to provide your email address or phone number, just whatever is connected with this account, and then the password, and that will be all. So this is how you can activate backup to Google One. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.